Did you guys hear that?
Yes.
Dude, Pennywise, if you're down there, I swear to God. Guys, that happened again. Did you guys hear that?
No.
Did you guys?
Yes.
Did you guys hear that? Yeah. It sounded like he just said he'll float too. Guys, Georgie is real. I swear to God, Georgie's real, and he's down there. Listen, Georgie.
Yes. How are you?
Can you stop acting like that? All right. So, all we're talking about is that Pennywise is definitely down there. I know it. I know Pennywise is down there. Pennywise!
Yes, what do you want?
Okay, I'm
guys, we're getting out of here. We're getting out of here. Guys. That was literally terrifying. I'm gonna go back. Wait, we passed it. I passed it. No!
What is that? What is that?
What is... That's just a red circle. Chill out.
Oh. Okay.
Pennywise!
I told Pennywise put it there.
Pennywise? Yes, what do you want?
If he says it one more time, I'm out. Pennywise!
You'll float too.
Okay, we're out of here. We're definitely out. We're out. That was completely terrifying. Guys, I swear to God, Pennywise is real. I swear. I'm gonna be